Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Peacock on Samsung TV step by step clearly. To activate Peacock on your Samsung TV, first, make sure your TV is connected to the internet. Turn on your Samsung TV using the remote control. Navigate to the home screen by pressing the home button. Scroll down to the apps section. Select the apps icon to enter the App Store. Use the search function and type in Peacock. Once you find the Peacock app, click on it to access the details page. Select the Install button to download the app. After installation, return to the home screen. Locate the Peacock app, which should now be in your app list. Open the Peacock app using your remote. You will be prompted to sign in or create an account. If you already have an account, enter your email and password. If you need to create an account, follow the on-screen instructions to sign up. Once logged in, you may be asked to activate your device. Note the activation code displayed on your screen. Using a mobile device or computer, go to the activation website as prompted. Enter the activation code shown on your TV. Follow any additional instructions on the website to complete the activation. Return to your Samsung TV, where you should now have access to Peacock content. Enjoy streaming all your favorite shows and movies on Peacock. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.